Hi Maggie, here I have a video for you. Now I'm gonna show you that I've set up the camera number 1 with on-five network with this IP address and the port is 8080 through network with the cable which is working as also PoE, and it's working. So now if I move this, it will move, but as you can see, if I move it just a little bit, right, left, up and down, actually it's not really working as I was expecting. I have to move it all the way right, and when it touches this part, it will move the camera. You see? If I do this or this, it won't move. For example, if I want to do a church tour with the joystick slowly, I can't do it because it won't work. See? If I move it this way, it won't work. It won't move the camera. So I have to go all the way left until I touch this board. You see? Look. Once I touch this, the camera will move, but I can't decide the speed. I can decide the sensibility of this movement. So if I put this PT speed on number 8, nothing will change. And if I put this on 0 or 1, it will remain the same. Nothing changes. The speed also, if I put it on 8, this is the speed on 8, and if I put it on 1, it remains the same, and I don't like this. I'd like it to be more sensitive, with more sensibility. Like if I want to do a church tour, I can just move a little bit this one and it will move slowly. For example, if I want to look at this point and go a little bit up, I can do it because it's too aggressive. The movement is really aggressive. And if I go right just a little bit, it will go like 3 meters right.